Hi, I'm Greg Jordan of the Next Level Local Business, and I'm really excited that you've picked up our free reputation course. We spent a lot of years helping our clients to build their online presence, and a big part of their online presence is the online reputation. And that's also tied into your online branding as well. And what we've done is we've put together from the learnings we've had helping our clients in short videos, 10 short videos, and they're all between 4 and 8 minutes. And we hope you get something out of it. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you know that the next thing will happen will be you'll get an email to confirm your subscription. And once you do, we'll start sending you one video a day, and that will be the course. And we hope you enjoy it. We hope you learn something from it. If you like the videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and also leave a comment. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to discuss with us, just get a hold of me. My contact information is always in the video, so you can do that. So that's all for now, and we hope you enjoy and get something out of the course. Bye.